Hello, you're watching this video because I wanted to make sure that you know how to submit an assignment. So say you want to answer or finish this, set up your notebook assignment. Okay, so first of all, weirdly enough, you'd think it would be down here, but submit is up here. And these are your options of what you can submit, and they're kind of a lot. So I'm just going to tell you right now. File upload would be you took a picture with your computer, choose file. You're going to find it here, click it, open, and then now you can submit your assignment, okay? So you want to also say something about it. You could put it in comments or you could put it in text entry. Media is going to be recording your voice or a video to submit for your assignment. And Google Drive is anything from your Google Drive that you want to upload. So be careful if you have a document that you created using Google, it won't work to upload it here. You have to upload it here in your Google Drive. And you'll hit select file, find the file that you want. This will pop up. You click it, hit add, attach, and then that way you can submit a Google document or slideshow or anything like that, and you hit submit assignment, and then it works. Hope that helps. Have a great day.